What's up guys, you're watching Technology Throwing and today I'm going to talk about Pixel 6a versus Pixel 6. Amazing, affordable, awesome. No matter what the A in the Pixel A stands for, chances are Google's latest phone will draw the attention of anyone with affinity for the company's products. The Pixel 6a is the third member of the latest Pixel lineup and the most affordable one out of the trio. The Pixel 6a and 6 Pro were released together in late 2021, the regular Pixel 6 starting at $599 for the 128GB model. The Pixel 6a on the other hand was released on July 28, 2022 and comes only on the 128GB storage option for $450. Hardly a surprise, the Pixel 6a follows the same design language Google introduced with the Pixel 6 series. The two phones look nearly identical. The Pixel 6a is the smaller phone, sporting a 6.1-inch display versus the Pixel 6 6.4-inch one. Tensor is the name of Google's custom SoC which made its debut on the Pixel 6 series last year. It is the chip powering the Pixel 6a as well, which is great news. Chips this powerful aren't common among phones at this price point. According to benchmarks, the Google Tensor is not as powerful as the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon chips. Performance-wise, however, the chipset is where the similarities between the Pixel 6a and the regular Pixel 6 and this doesn't affect everyday tasks that much. As you can see, since the chips are basically the same, the performance is generally balanced out. In some cases, the Pixel 6 beats the 6a, possibly due to the higher RAM. In other cases, however, it seems the 6a takes the lead, which might be due to the less taxing 6Hz screen compared to the 90Hz one on the Pixel 6 that requires more power to sustain. The camera system is usually one of the areas that companies target first when making a more affordable model. The same stands true when it comes to the Pixel 6a, which comes with the same main camera that's found on the Pixel 5a and even older models. The inclusion of Google's own Tensor chipset gives it new life in the form of features like Magic Eraser tool for removing objects in photos, Real Tone for accurate skin tones, and Night Sight for better low light performance. The main difference is that the Pixel 6 main camera shows a bit wider than that of on the 6a. The images also appear slightly different in terms of color temperature, with the 6a producing warmer colors compared to the Pixel 6. Generally, the main camera on the Pixel 6a comes quite close to that on the Pixel 6 until by the looks of it, the 6a tends to produce more noise when shooting in the dark conditions. Ultra-wide snapper, being the same on both phones, seems to be performing almost identically with the 6 and 6a. This is where the Pixel 6 shows its superiority the most. Main cameras on the Pixel 6a is noticeably less sharp compared to the pricier model, not to mention how much more light the Pixel 6 has been able to capture in the shot, making the whole image brighter and more visible. Pixel 6a comes with only a slightly smaller battery than that of the Pixel 6, 4410 mAh versus 4614 mAh. When we start talking charging speeds, though, the Pixel 6 is the clear winner here with a maximum charging speed at 30 watt. Yes, the Pixel 6 can do only 18 watt. Thanks for watching till end. This channel is about where I talk about smartphone technology, so if you like what you see here, please be sure to subscribe.